Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to cancel your QuickBooks subscription. To begin, log into your QuickBooks account using a web browser. Once you are logged in, find the gear icon, typically located in the top right corner of your screen, and click it. From the menu that appears, select Account and Settings. This is where you will find all the necessary options to manage your subscription details. Once you are in the Account and Settings section, look for the Billing and Subscription tab on the left-hand side. Click on this tab to view your current plan details and billing cycle. Here, you will find the option to cancel your subscription. It might be labeled Cancel Subscription or something similar. Take a moment to review everything before moving forward. After selecting the cancellation option, QuickBooks will guide you through a few more steps. You might be prompted to provide a reason for canceling, which helps them improve their service. Once you've completed these prompts, ensure you receive a confirmation message on screen or via email. This confirms your subscription has been successfully canceled. Keep this confirmation for your records. It's important to know that your QuickBooks data will remain accessible for approximately 1 year after your cancellation date. This gives you ample time if you need to retrieve any information. Should you change your mind, reactivating your subscription is a simple process. We highly recommend exporting any critical financial data before you finalize your cancellation. For any unique situations, QuickBooks support is always available to assist you.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.